Open the carton and check accessories carefully. Mount the tray using four screws. Screw the 4 leveling feet onto the aluminum base plate. Attach the column to the 4 upper right holes of the base plate with 4 screws. Raise the column. Mount the machine body onto the tray. Note, align the 4 adjustment screws on the machine body with the corresponding holes on the tray. Secure with screws. Ensure that the galvanometer does not extend beyond the front or back edges of the base plate. Tighten the screws to lock it in place. Lower the column to the appropriate position. Plug in the device power cord. Insert the USB signal cable. This cable is the host computer connection cable and is for after-sales use only. Add purified water into the coolant filling bottle. Open the water inlet. For the first time, add a small amount. The normal required amount is about 200 milliliters. Connect the external power supply. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to release reset it. Do not close the lid yet. Wait until the bubbles subside, then continue adding water. Add more liquid after circulating for half an hour or after a long circulation time. Once filled, simply seal the stopper. No need to change the water a second time. If the room temp is below 20 C, press the button. Once it reaches 20 C 30 C, turn it off, wait for 1 minute, and then restart. If the room temperature is above 20 C and the water temperature is between 20 C and 30 C, you can directly press the button. Observe the temperature alarm. It is flashing at this time. The indicator light is steady on, entering the ready to work state. Remove the protective cover. Take out the computer and insert the USB flash drive. Connect the device USB. Copy the driver software from the device to the computer. Right-click to enter the Computer Device Manager. Installation of the driver. Driver file installation location. Copy the location of the contents of the USB flash drive. Edit normally and perform a test. Turn on the dual red lights. Adjust the column height. When the 2 red dots overlap, that is the correct focal distance. At this time, simply click the red light preview. Click Mark. If you only use purified water, it does not need to be replaced. However, if special circumstances require draining, the device must be powered on. Then open the waterproof connector and unplug it. Open the water filling port. You will hear an obvious sound of dry running. Operating without water is strictly prohibited. Make sure to turn off the power in time.